that you understand whatever has happened to our lives, whatever is past, whether it is the previous moment or many years ago, whatever is past is dead. It has no influence on our lives. It is only the way we react to it. If you take this vow to respond to your past, to see how the experience of life is turned into wisdom and not into a wound within you.